Hi guys, hope you're doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana, and if you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, guys. Thank you for 17.5 subscribers. I don't take it for granted. On today's video, we are doing an unboxing video. So we're gonna unbox our very first purchase. We ordered it. I'm going to show you guys. So come out and subscribe. Please consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping here to watch my videos. And if you're new here, welcome also. So guys, let's get straight into the video. Guys, here I am. Now it's time to unbox. Here it is. Najua wengi umeona hapo chini what we are unboxing. We are unboxing a ring light. Finally, we have to do this. So ilikuwa packaged na hii kitu hii karatasi, but nilirarua vibaya from where I'm telling guys, it's from Jumia. It's from Jumia, guys. So let's start the unboxing. Unaniona guys? Alright. So guys, it's a 12-inch ring light. A 12-inch. So a 12-inch ring light. First we unbox the other one, then come to this. So guys, here we are having we are getting serious in content creation. So here we have a tripod or a stand. You can choose how to call it, by the way. It's a tripod. Let's adjust it, then we fix it with the ring light anyway. But it's very low. You fix it like that, then shukisha to the angle you want it to be. Then you fix it like that on a cover chini. You can see well. It's good. Then hapa this angle unarefusha to the way you want it. Me want that size. It's my size, that one. So guys, we're done with this. Let us start the main one. Let's unbox this one. see it, it's so big. I can't wait to show you guys ikiwaka. So guys, acha niweke hiyo muone vizuri. I want to do the demo here so that you can see well. Let's fix the head. You just here hapo kuna shimo, you fix it here inside. So guys, una make sure umekaza kila mahali. And then you can bend it like this if you want to take your video into that angle, but me, for now, want it straight. Next thing, this thing. So let's fix it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to watch the whole video, comment. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share to your friends, your family, everyone, guys. See you on my